Morning students, welcome back to the income tax class. So this is very important question. Listen carefully while explaining the problem. See, Sri Dhoni is the owner of a business. His profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 3 2019 was as follows. See, some debit items is given, some credit incomes is given. See, salaries is allowable, right? So allowable in the sense it's already debited to profit and loss account. No need to consider anywhere, right? Next, rent rates and taxes. So rent rates and taxes are usually allowable. No need to consider anywhere. If any adjustment is given, we need to see the adjustment. See, any adjustment is given. See the question. See, he carried out the business in a rented house. 40% of which is used for his resident. Out of rent, see how much? Out of rent 2900. Out of it, 40% used for his residence. So another adjustment also given. So rent rates and taxes include 2400 paid as rent for property during the year. So we need to consider rent. So rent 2400 is actually property rent. So out of 2400, 40% used for his personal expenses, personal rent or personal residence. So we need to consider 2400 into 40%. Let's solve the question. At that time we will see the adjustment. Next, maybe you understand the rent rates and taxes. Next, printing and stationery, it's allowable, already debited to profit and loss account. No need to consider anywhere. Next, personal expenses usually debited to profit and loss account. This is a disallowable expenses. Next, commission is, it's a business expenses, so it's already debited to profit and loss account. It's allowable. Discount for allowance, so it's also allowable expenses. Next, provision for bad debts, it's the disallowable. Next, postage and telegram, this also allowable expenses. No need to consider. Well, I am telling the allowable expenses, right? That allowable expenses no need to consider anywhere. Why? Because these allowable expenses already debited to profit and loss account. So while considering any format, allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account, only that items we need to consider while solving the question. These allowable expenses already debited, right? See, next one, law charge also allowable expenses. Next, advertisement, any adjustment is given to advertisement. See, one adjustment is given for advertisement. Advertisement expenses include 450 spent on special advertisement campaign to open a new shop. So here advertisement is exclusively allowable, right? Allowable, but 450 spent on a special advertisement campaign. Special advertisement campaign in the sense it is disallowable. 450 rupees is disallowable, but we no need to consider this 450. Why? Because it's not debited, right? It's not debited. That's 450. So we no need to consider. So this advertisement expenses we need to consider as a allowable expenses. Next, gifts and presents, so disallowable, we need to consider. Next, fire insurance premium on stock, it's a allowable. Next, sales tax is allowable. Next, repairs and renewal, not for business. So not for business in the sense it's a personal right, it's a disallowable. Next, loss on sale of machinery used for private purpose. Private purpose in the sense it's a disallowable. Next, life insurance premium. Life insurance premium, it's a disallowable, right? It's a owner life. Owner life they are considering, so it's a disallowable. Next, wealth tax, it's a disallowable. Why? Because it's a property tax. Next, interest on capital, disallowable. Next, audit fees, allowable, already debited to profit and loss account, no need to consider anywhere. Next, interest on bank loan, so interest on bank loan is allowable. Next, provision for depreciation, disallowable. So see here one adjustment for income tax. So allowable actual amount of income tax paid during the year rupees 4,000. So it's a provision. So already kept in the business 3,900, but actually paid income tax is usually disallowable, right? So 4,000. So it's not debited to profit and loss account. No need to consider anywhere. So this provision for income tax is we need to consider as a disallowable expenses, and we need to add to the net profit. Next, provision for depreciation also is a disallowable, right? Next, net profit is given 43,000. So and some incomes also given. See that incomes. So interest on investment. So interest on investment is given. It's a other than business income. So we need to deduct. We need to deduct from the, and we need to see business other than business income credited to profit and loss account. Under that heading we need to consider. Next, rent received other than business income we need to consider. Next, winnings from lottery, it's a income from other sources we need to consider. So we need to deduct, right? Next, see, actual bad debts were rupees 500. So usually bad debts are allowable. So this allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. We need to consider allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. Under that heading we need to consider. Next, actual amount of income tax, already I explained. Next, allowable depreciation. Allowable depreciation as per IT rules. So allowable depreciation also it's allowable, right? So this also we need to deduct from net profit. Why? Because it's allowable expenses, they did not consider in profit and loss account, so they are given in the adjustment, so we need to consider. Next, advertisement expenses include 450. So advertisement expenses usually allowable, so this we need to consider. Next, he carried out business in rented house. These two transactions I already explained. This question was asked in a year BBM May 2015. Next, solve the question one by one. See, first one, net profit as per profit and loss account. Net profit as per profit and loss account, how much is given? See, net profit 43,000, right? Next, add disallowable expenses debited to profit and loss account. Disallowable expenses to debited to profit and loss account. See, what are the disallowable expenses debited to profit and loss account? First one, personal expenses. See, first one is personal expenses, 3,000, right? 3,000. Next, commission is allowable. Next, discount allowance also allowable. Next, provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts is 1,200. Provision for bad debts. This provision for bad debts is 1,200. Next, for rent, rates and taxes for that is adjustment. No, see, adjustment. He carried out a business in rented house, 40% of which is used for his residence. Rent and rates taxes include 2,400 paid as a rent of property. So total rent, rates and taxes. So out of 2400, 40% is disallowable. 40% is disallowable. So 40% in the sense 2400 into 40%. 960. Next, law charge is allowable, advertisement is allowable, gift and presents disallowable, right? Gifts and presents. How much gifts and presents? It is 150. Next one, fire insurance premium and stock allowable, sales tax allowable, repairs and renewals. So repairs and renewals usually allowable, but they are given in bracket not for business. So not for business in the sense it's a disallowable. Renewable 450. Next, loss on sale of machinery used for private purpose. Private purpose in the sense it's a disallowable. Loss on sale of machinery. How much? 1800. Next, life insurance premium. Life insurance premium 1700. Next, wealth tax 740. Wealth tax is disallowable. Wealth tax 740. Next, interest on capital also disallowable 730. Interest on capital 730. Next, any other items? Let's see. Provision for depreciation disallowable, no? Provision for depreciation is disallowable 2500. Next, provision for income tax, that is also disallowable, no? 3900. Any other items? Let's see one by one. That's it, right? Only that items are disallowable. Yes, only that's it. Next, so total it, how much we will get? 17,160. I will check it. Yes, 17,160. So if you add this, you will get 60,160. Next, less allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. So in this heading, we no need to check the profit and loss account. Why? Because this allowable expenses already debited. We no need to consider under this head. Which are the items not debited? See, allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. What are the items not debited? One is bad debts. So see, bad debts is not debited, right? Bad debts. Bad debts how much? 500 is given in adjustment. Next one, any other items? See, allowable depreciation as per income tax rules. It's allowable, right? So 1500 is not debited to profit and loss. If you debited anywhere in this item, so that not considered, but they given in the adjustment, we need to consider allowable depreciation. So it's a depreciation. How much given in the adjustment? 1500. Any other allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account? No, right? Only that's it. So total is 2000. So under next also we need to consider less non-business income credited to profit and loss account. Credited to profit and loss account. So what are the non-business incomes given in the problem? See, one by one. First one, interest on investment. So interest on investment is how much? 5000. Next, rent received. This is also non-business income. Rent received 6000. Next, winning from lottery. So other sources income. Winning from lottery. Winning from lottery how much? How much given in? 10,000. So 10,000. So total 16,000, 21,000. 21,000 deduct. So if you deduct from 60,000, 160 minus 2,000 minus 21,000, you will get taxable income from business. Taxable income from business. So you will get 37,160. Let's see, I'll check. Yes, it's a correct 37,160. So any doubt in this question? See once again I'll explain. Net profit as per profit and loss account is given in the question, 43,000. Next, personal expenses disallowable, it's a debited to profit and loss account, 3,000. Next, provision for bad debts, 1,200. Next, rent rates and taxes. So out of 2,400, 40% is personal, that is disallowable, 960. Next, gifts and presents, 150. Next, repairs and renewal, 480. Next, loss on sale of machinery, 1,800. It's a loss on sale of machinery they did not use for business. So if in case they are used for business, this item is not considered here, but they did not use it for business, it's a personal. So 1,800, it's a disallowable. Next, life insurance premium, it's a disallowable. Next, wealth tax also disallowable. Next, interest on capital also disallowable. Next, provision for depreciation also disallowable. Next, provision for income tax also disallowable. If you total these items, you will get 17,160. So 43,000, 17,160. If you add this, you will get 60,160. Next, allowable expenses not debited to profit and loss account. So if you less, what are the items given in the question? Bad debts is given, depreciation is given. So bad debts is 500, depreciation is 1,500. If you total the two items, 2,000 you will get. Next, less non-business incomes credited to profit and loss account. Non-business income is given in profit and loss account? No. Interest on investment also given, rent also given. Next, winning from lottery is also given. So if you total these three items, you will get 21,000. Out of 60,160 less 2,000 less 21,000, you will get taxable income from business 37,160. Any doubt in this question? So if any doubt arises, to you, you can just ask in a message.